Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make your PC fast in 3 minutes. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from your Windows or PC or laptop, just press Windows star key or Windows run. Just type run option, so automatically run will be open here. Just click here. So or Windows plus R key if you press means automatically it will open like a Windows pop-up. So here just type percentage temp percentage. The first step, just click enter. Automatically temporary file will be open here, so this will hang up your entire system. So first and foremost, just Control A and Shift delete use and delete your entire file. So entire file will be clear for the temporary memory. So everything will be cleared over here so that it will be easy. So you can delete the temporary file. So empty files will be deleted over here. So now the second step, just go to the same start menu and type a run option, or you just press Windows R key. Just type prefect, prefetch, and just click OK. So once you click OK, automatically prefect will be opened here. This is also called a temporary file. Just Control A, select and Shift delete use to delete entire file. So it will clear the entire file, so it will be empty. So two steps are completed. The third and most important step is just go to the same start menu, just type run or just press Windows R key, automatically it will open. Just type msconfig, msconfig, just press enter. Automatically it will open like a pop-up option. So here you need to choose a general and boot service startup will be there. Just press boot option. Once you click a boot option, your boot system will be open here. So just click advanced option. Once you click advanced option, there will be a number of processor will be there. For example, in your laptop there will be a number of processor will be there. Just enable this button and you will find only one processor. Just click here. You will have a plenty of options. Some system might have a 2 processor, 3 processor, 4, which is topmost, that is highest processor. Just press this one. And maximum memory, you can use maximum memory. So enable this option. Just click OK, means just click OK. Automatically it will ask you your BitLocker drive encrypted, so just press S option. So once you click S option, it will ask you for your system configuration should be restart. Once you click a restart option, automatically your system will be refreshed and it will be fresh and neat. Without any other delay, your system will be very faster. If you use this tip and make your system fast and do your work peacefully. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.